In this video I will show you how to download and install the Canon PIXMA MG3640 printer driver on Windows. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter Canon MG3640 printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official Canon website for that printer model. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu and click on the Download button next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation wizard. When the initial screen appears, click on Start Setup. The software will check to see if there are any updates to the driver and software, and will download them as necessary. This may take a few minutes. Select your region and country, then click on Next. If you accept the terms of the license agreement, click Yes. If you would like to take part in the extended survey program, click Agree. Otherwise click Do Not Agree. To allow all install wizard processes, click Next. Select Wireless LAN connection, then click Next. Select Connect via wireless router, recommended, then click Next. Ensure your printer is powered on, then click Next. If the Wi-Fi lamp on the printer is flashing, press and hold the Stop button. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer until the power lamp flashes. Press the color button, then the Wi-Fi button. Make sure that the Wi-Fi lamp flashes quickly and the power lamp is as shown in the illustration above. The software will search for any printers already set up on your network. Detection may take some time, so please be patient while the software searches for a printer. Please wait while the setup discovers the printer. During this time, the network connection on your computer is temporarily disabled. Once the setup is complete, click Next. The MP drivers and network tools will be downloaded and installed. Please wait while the software is installed. Please wait while the setup completes. If you are installing the printer for the first time, print head alignment is recommended after the installation is completed. Click Next. Please refer to the user guide for further details. To perform a test print to confirm installation, click Execution, otherwise click Next. Setup is now complete. Click Next to perform the software installation. Select the software you wish to install from the list, then click Next. If you are not sure which software you want to install at this stage, don't worry, as you can always uninstall it at a later stage if you wish. To register your printer, click Next. This will open in a web browser. Otherwise, click Skip. Click Exit to finish the installation.